Okay guys, welcome back to GRE Bombs. This is bomb 14 because the previous one was a brain teaser, so I don't consider it a GRE bomb. Here we have a question. It's a little bit dealing with, geometric shapes, a triangle, the idea of a perimeter, and also solving a system of equation. Not actually a system of equation, but how to just set up an equality and solve for x. Let's take a look at the question. It says the lengths of a side of a triangle are 4x minus 3, 5x minus 2, x plus 2. It tells us the perimeter of the triangle, it's 39, and they want us to find the length of the largest side of the triangle. It's a fill in the blank type of question, fill in the box, so no multiple choice. In this case, you actually do have to solve straight for x and make sure that your answer is accurate. Right, so let's take a look. Let's say, I'm just going to draw a triangle just for visual sakes. I'm going to label this side 4x minus 3. By no way is this triangle that I'm drawing representative of the actual question. It's just a random triangle that I drew. We have here x plus 2. So I label the sides. Again, so the perimeter is 39. Refresher, perimeter is the sum of the sides, in this case, of the triangle. So I'm going to add up the sides of the triangle, 4x minus 3 plus 5x minus 10 plus x plus 2. And that's supposed to equal the perimeter, which is 39. So I'm going to set it equal to 39. This is the part where you have to know what the perimeter of a geometric shape, in this case a triangle, is. And now here is where we just solve for x. Why are we solving for x? We need to solve for x to be able to actually get the lengths of each of the sides that we have here. The sides are 4x minus 3, well, based here on the image, 4x minus 3, 5x minus 10, and x plus 2. If we find x, we're able to find the actual sides, the actual length of the sides, and determine which of the sides is the longest one. So let's take a look at that. Let's first collect the like terms, the ones with x. So we have 4x plus 5x, that's 9x, plus this other x, that's 10x. And I'm just gonna slash it here with a line so that I know that I already dealt with them. And then let's deal with the constant terms, which is negative 3 minus 10 is negative 13. Negative 13 plus 2 is negative 11. So we have 10x minus 11 equals 39. We add 11 to both sides. We get 10x equals 39 plus 11 is 50. And we get that x equals 5 by dividing by 10 on both sides. Okay, so now that we have that x equals 5, let's see which of these sides is the longest one by checking their actual values. The first side, we're going to have this side right here, 4x minus 3 becomes 4 times 5 minus 3. That is 20 minus 3, which is 17. The other one is going to be this one here, 5x minus 10 will become 5 times 5 minus 10 equals 25 minus 10, which is 15. And the bottom one is x plus 2, and that will become 5 plus 2, which is 7. And based on the quantities that we got, we find out that the longest side is this one right here, 17. So I'm going to write that as my solution here, 17, and that's the answer. Now, that's a quick question. A little refresher of things that we needed to know is about perimeter of a triangle, setting up an equality and solving for x. And usually this is one of the simpler questions in the GRE quant section. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next bomb. Take it easy. Bye.